Last-minute DIY Christmas gift ideas you can make with Cricut. Socks. Step 1. First create or upload a design you want to use to Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Grab the socks, reposition them and see where the design will go. Step 3. Measure the socks to see how big of a design you need to make. Step 4. Now go ahead and resize the design from the toolbar. Step 5. Go to the Layers panel, select one design and check the size. Step 6. Once the design is ready to go, click Make It, turn on Mirror, reposition the design on the mat and click Continue. Step 7. Grab the HTV, apply it shiny side down on the mat and smooth it out. Step 8. Turn on the Easy Press. Step 9. Go back to Cricut Design Space and select the material. Step 10. Load the mat into the machine and start cutting. Step 11. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat and peel the mat off the material. Step 12. Now go ahead and weed out the design. Step 13. Once it's weeded out, trim the designs apart. Step 14. Place the sock bottom side up on the heat mat, then preheat it for a few seconds. Step 15. Grab the HTV and position it on the socks, cover it with a Teflon sheet and press for about 10 seconds. Step 16. Peel off the protective liner carefully. Step 17. Grab the other socks, preheat it and repeat the same steps. Coffee mug. Step 1. First click on Shape, select a square and resize the square. Step 2. With the square selected, click Operation drop-down and select Guide. Step 3. Now go to Images, search and select the images you want to use. Step 4. Resize the image, then change the color of the design if you wish to. Step 5. Once you have the design ready, click Make It, select on Mat and click Continue. Step 6. Check all the mats in the Prepare screen and click Continue. Step 7. Click Browse All Materials, search and select the material and click Done. Step 8. Place the material on the mat, load it in and start cutting. Step 9. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat, peel off the material and repeat the same steps to cut the other materials. Step 10. Once all the design has been cut, weed out the design. Step 11. Grab a piece of transfer tape, place it on top of the design and smooth it down. Step 12. Peel off the backing sheet, then align the design on the mug. Step 13. Apply the design using your finger and then peel off the transfer tape. Step 14. Apply the transfer tape onto the second layer and smooth it down using a scraper tool. Step 15. Peel off the transfer tape and layer the design onto the mug. Step 16. Apply the design using your finger, then peel off the transfer tape. Step 17. And the personalized coffee mug is done. Indoor slippers. Step 1. First measure the slippers to determine the size of the design. Step 2. Select text and type out a text of your choice. Step 3. Duplicate the text and type out another word. Step 4. Select the text, click Combine and select Unite. Step 5. Select the other text, click Combine and select Unite. Step 6. Save the design if you wish to, then click Make It. Step 7. Reposition the design in the Prepare mat, turn on Mirror and click Continue. Step 8. Select Everyday Iron-on material. Step 9. Place the vinyl shiny side down on the mat and smooth it down using a brayer tool. Step 10. Load the mat into the machine and start cutting. Step 11. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat, peel off the material and weed out the design. Step 12. Cut up the design, grab the slippers and turn on easy press. Step 13. Place the design on the slipper and make sure that it's even. Step 14. Flatten the slipper and press for about 10 seconds. Move the easy press around during the process. Step 15. Peel off the protective liner and repeat the same process with the other pair. Step 16. The slipper is ready to be gifted. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.